In class 6 student, let us start your third chapter of computer, mail merge. Now, introduction. In work and business matters, officials often have to send the same information to a list of people. When we are doing any business or when we are doing work, we have to send same official letter to many people, a group of people, a list of people. The name and address of the addressee has to be printed on the top of the letter. You know, when you are sending any letter, the name and address of the addressee, the to whom you are sending the letter, has to be printed on the top of the letter. Typing the name of such recipient and address thus become a tedious process. Tedious means difficult process and quite time consuming. Now you are typing the name of the recipient again and again and the address. It become very difficult task, tiresome, and also time consuming. To make this process easy, the feature of mail merge is used to merge the data source with the key document. Now, to remove the problem in this, a feature mail merge feature is used, and it just used to merge the data source with the key element. This help in saving time and energy in sending mails and multiple address. This help and it save the times and energy in sending the same mail and multiple address. Performing mail merge in MS Word. How we are going to just perform mail merge? Source of data. The mailing list which feature in the data source include the name, address, and pin code, telephone number, and any other information required. The mailing list which having the feature of data source include the name, address, city and pin code, and telephone number, and any other information required. The data is presented in the tabular form along with the name of the field. The data is presented in the tabular form along with the name of the field. The data source is linked with the main document containing the information. The data source is linked with the main document which contains the information. Thus, the field name can be easily used in the main document, and the process of merging address alongside the main document become easy and simple. Now, when we are just using this facility, it become easy. The process of merging address become quite easy with the main document. Main document, what is main document? Main document which hold the information of the recipient of the letter. Main document is the information which is about the recipient of the letter, who is going to receive this letter. Merge field. This is a placeholder which tells the MS Word where to insert the name, address, city and pin code and other information of the main document. What is main merge field? Merge field, it is a placeholder in the MS Word which help us to tell where to insert the name, address, city and the pin code and other relevant information in the main document. 3 steps in mail merging are: creation of the mail document. First of all, you have to create the main document. Specifying the data source, we have to specify the data source. Third, merging the data source with the main document. What we have to do? We have to merge the data source with the main document. Now, creating the main document. What are the different steps to create the main document that we have to study? Steps to create the main document. Type the letter on the new document. Open an already existing letter in MS Word that needs to be sent to list of people and address. What we have to do, class? Suppose we have to type a letter, or the letter is already existing in MS Word that you have to send to a list of people or an address. Click on the mailing tab. Just click on the mailing tab. Then click on the start mail. Click on the mailing tab and then click on the start mail merge drop down menu and choose the option of step by step mail merge wizard. On the right side of the application window, a task pane of the mail merge window will appear. On the right side of the application window, a task pane of the mail merge will then appear. Under the select document type feature, choose the radio button of the letter. Under the select document type feature, choose the radio button of the letter. Click the next starting document of the wizard under the step 1 to 6. Now click on next and starting document of the wizard under step 1 to 6 feature. Select the setup type for the mail. Just select the type of mail which you want to send. Under the radio button of select starting document section, click on the use the current document. Using a radio button of select starting document section, click on the use the current document, and under step 2 to 6 feature, click on next, select recipient. Click on next and select the recipient. So this is the step how to create the main document which we will use to send the to different number of people.